I got the gong back on, so we're getting there. I did a fairly decent job putting it on and turning the minute arbor. As you can see, it's doing a good job. I actually did a decent job soldering it on. So this movement is about ready to go back into the case. The holes are a little bit worn out over time, so I could put some filler in them, but instead I'm going to break off a toothpick and put it in each one of the holes, and that will allow the a wood screw to grab a hold and will tighten it up. If you're going to do this on cuckoo clocks, toothpick's a little bit harder than the wood that they use. I would suggest using a wooden matchstick. And here I got the movement in. The toothpicks were too big. I probably should put some wood filler in the holes, but it's very quiet. But it is working. And here you put the plate on, and you got these long thumb screws that screw into the slot. That way you could take the dial plate off easily and get to the movement. And it comes with 3. The gong isn't very loud. That's the problem with a lot of French clocks. They are not very loud, but now I gotta hang it up and put the top finials on. The finial on the left was broken, and I glued what was left in there, but I got a place to hang it up. But there it is, all hung up in my kitchen. I hope y'all like this video. Again, please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.